Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your last lesson and that is decimals. Today I am going to solve some of the examples from your evaluate section, page number 166. Page number 166, and here the first question is there, write the decimal fraction for the shaded region. Shaded region means here I took two examples, okay, here one is there and here one, and that is from your evaluate section, page number 166. Here they given one picture, you have to convert this as in a fraction, again you have to write in decimals. So dear students, count here total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total parts are 5, okay, and here shaded parts are 2. Already I told here this denominator represents the total part in the figure and the shaded part represents the numerator. So dear students, here I got answer 2 by 5. Then how to write this in fractions? See here, to write the fractional form of the number, we need the denominator in the form of 10, 100, 1000. Okay, we want this denominator as a 10, 100 or a 1000. So dear students, here 5 is there and I need the denominator as a 10. Okay, here I need the denominator as a 10. Already I told, to convert in fractions to decimals, no, we want the denominator as a 10, 100 or 1000. But here the question is there in 5. So dear students, already you know how to find the equivalent fraction of the number. See dear students, here 5 is there and here 10 is there. So 5, if you want here 10, then which number I have to take here? 5, how much is 10? 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10. So here you write 2 by 2. Why I took here 2, understood? Because 5 2 is 10 and the same number you take for numerator also and multiply it. So 2 2 is 4 and 5 2 is 10. 4 by 10. Then how to write this in decimals? 0.4. So the answer is 0.4. So this you need to know. See here, 2 by 5 is there, 2 by 2 is there, 2 2 is 4 and 5 2 is 10. And here 4 by 10 means here the answer is 0.4. Dear students, to write fractions to decimals, we need the decimal, means in denominator 10, 100 or 1000. But here 5 is there, I converted this as a 10 and I wrote here 0.4. So move to next example. Count here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here total parts are 5 and shaded parts are 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, total parts are 5 and shaded parts are 3. Okay, fine. Then again here I want the denominator as a 10. Okay, to convert these fractions to decimals, we need the denominator in the form of 10, 100 or in the form of 1000. So here into dash is there and here you have to write 10. Then 5, how much is 10? 5 2 is 10 and the same number you take for numerator also. Okay, 5 2 is 10, 3 2 is 6. So 6 by 10 is there, its decimal form is 0.6. I hope you are getting my point. So this type you need to write the numbers. So this is two examples I took from your evaluate part. I hope you understood this. Next we will move to one more part is there and that is, see here what is there. The second question is, write the decimals in numerals. Write the decimals as a numerals. So take here B1 and that is write the following. Write the following decimals as numerals. Okay, so the first question is 12.06. The first question is 12.06. Next 0 point. The second question is 0.006. Okay. Next the third question is 4.05. 4.05. Okay. So the next question is 9.46 hundredths. 9.46 hundredths. Then dear students, now we are going to write this decimals to numerals. Numerals means you have to write in numbers. Okay. So here I took some examples from your evaluate part. 12.06. So first you write 12. This 12 you write there, and next what is there here? 0.06. 12.06. Next 0.006. Yes, 0.006. 0.006. Here they given in words and you have to write in numbers. 4.05. See here, next you take 4.05. 4.05. So next one is 9.46 hundredths. 9.46 hundredths. 46 hundredths means it is 46. So here you write 9.46. So this type you have to write the following decimals as a numerals. Okay. So you need more practice to solve this examples. 12.06. 0.006. 4.05. 9.46 hundredths. Okay. So next we move to next example, and what is there? Just see here. Write the following in words. Write the following in words. Dear students, this is very important topic, and the same topic is there for class 5 also. So next here, decimals in words. Decimals in words. Decimals in words. Here you take 0.24, 1.56, 2.9, 3.04, 12.67. Okay. So here I took some examples from your evaluate section. Already I completed this lesson. I am solving this decimals part, means evaluate part. So how to write this? So write here ZERO point. Okay, point. Don't read it as a 24. How we are reading it as a 0.24. 0.2 TWO2 and FOUR 4, and all letters should be small. 0.24. Next 1.56. 1.56. Okay. Next 2.9. 2.9. Okay. 2.9. Next one is 3.04. 04. Okay. So 3.04, 2.9, 1.56, 0.24. So here this is 12.67. Okay, 12.67. Don't read it as a 67. While we are reading this decimal numbers, we have to read it as a separate numbers, or you can read it as a 56 hundredths. 67 hundreds. In other hand, you have to read it as a 12.67, 3.04, 2.9, 1.56, 0.24. Dear student, this is very important 2 marks questions, and very soon you have a periodic test, and please keep practicing this kind of examples. I hope you understood this. In this class I taught how to convert decimals to numbers and numbers to words. Okay, in next class I will discuss how to write expanded form and decimal form of the number. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.